Table from the pattern, we're seeing our figure numbers listed in the first column. That's why I named it X, which is our number of figures, our figure number.
Inside there were several dozen long tables. The air smelled of cleaning fluid and the food.
Bubonic plague traveled. We're told it started in Central Asia, and then let's figure out how it moved. So in addition to political developments in England, right, we talked about these political...
What?
Okay, we'll move on, yes.
Amsterdam has over 2,500 hospitals.
2,500 houseboats in Amsterdam. Amazing. Amy?
Amsterdam is one of the top 25 safest cities in the world.
Just about the pattern, the table, and the rate of change. Now, given this time, we haven't written any equations together. They've been just evaluating them. And let's see some of the responses that they made.
And you got the A's, or the, I don't know what it is, it's a slug.
Because we do have a couple more minutes here with the warm-up. We are going to be transitioning to our digital mosaics, and of course, as you guys know,
Okay, would you unmute your microphone and read what you wrote, starting with when did this happen and where did this happen?
I was at my desk exactly 2 years ago at 6 o'clock.
And so what you guys will do is read and annotate the different evidence cards. Then you want to discuss those with your partner. And then once you're finished, what you guys are going to do is place them based on how strong you think that the evidence is.
Hey SMS Dons, a little message from your 7th grade teachers. You have been amazing this year. Through a pandemic, you've been online and hybrid. With that, you've learned grit and perseverance, asking for help when you need it, Do-overs are steps to mastery. It's been an evidence-rich year as you've provided and analyzed the credibility and significance or the power of evidence in language arts, in science, in social studies, in math. But wait, you've maintained the balance of health by your engagement in PE and your electives. This supports your mind, body, and spirit. Despite online work, you've shown your growth through the STAR test, and lastly, your ability to keep showing up. We've got you, SMS Dons. Celebrate your success. Next year will be just as awesome.